Hi, my name is Marissa Roman. This is my ID card. I will be presenting for the EC course. Let's see, can you see that? Okay. I'm trying to make it to where y'all can see. All right. What is an information system? An information system is the center of virtually every organization providing unlimited resources. It is found in computers, networks, databases. Examples are Wi-Fi networks, printers, car computers, smartphones, etc. 5 major components of an information system is hardware, software, data, people, and processors. What is considered hardware? Hardware is the physical portion of an information system. Examples are a monitor, hard drive, keyboard, memory, a mouse, CPU, etc. What is software? Software is a set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. There are 2 types of softwares, which is operating systems and application software. Operating system controls a computer's internal functioning, and then application software directs the computer to execute commands given by the user. For example, application software would be me using a spreadsheet, payroll program, or inventory. What is database? Database is a collection of structured information or data that can be observed and analyzed. It's technically stored electronically in a computer system, controlled by a database management system, or DBMS, and can collect information on people, places, or things to be analyzed. The impact of networking technologies on today's workplace. Due to the internet evolving, there needed to be a way for organizations to connect with each other and the world. Personal computers led to the need to share resources, such as printers, scanners, and data. Due to this, organizations solved this problem through the creation of local area networks, which allowed computers to connect to each other. A LAN is a local network, usually operating in the same building, while a wide area network provides connectivity over a wide area, such as organizations' locations in different cities or states. Creation of these networks allowed organizations to better communicate with each other in the workplace. Social implications of emerging technologies. Social networking has led to major changes in society. In today's world, people are able to share their own views and stories on various events instead of relying on only the local news. Apps such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and personal blogs allow people to express their own viewpoint. By creating social spaces and sharing personal data online, technology has created new pathways of communication and interaction. Pros of emerging technologies is it is easier, faster, and more effective communication, efficient manufacturing techniques, less wastage, efficient stock management and ordering systems, ability to develop new initiative approaches, effective marketing and promotion, new sale avenues. Cons of emerging technologies is increased dependency on technology, often large costs involved with using the latest technology, especially for small businesses, increased risk of job cuts, closure of high stores in favor of online businesses, security risk in relation to data, and fraud. What is globalization? Globalization refers to the integration of goods, services, and culture among the nations of the world. Advances in telecommunication and transportation technologies accelerated globalization. The process of interaction and interrogation among the people, companies, and government of different nations is also globalization. This process is driven by international trade and investment aided by information technology. Why is this important? This process is important because it has effects on the environment, on culture, on political systems, on economic development and prosperity, and human physical well-being in the societies around the world. What is the digital divide? As the internet continues to make inroads across the world, it also creating a separation between those who have access to this global network and those who do not. The separation is called the digital divide. The digital divide can occur between countries, regions, and even neighborhoods. Jacob Nielsen's 3 stages of the digital divide. He explains that the digital divide comes in 3 stages. The economic divide, which is where some people can afford a computer or technology while others cannot. Usability divide, technology is too complicated for users such as seniors. And empowerment divide, which uses technology to empower themselves instead of for the greater good. What is intellectual property? It is defined as property as an idea, invention, or process that derives from the work of the mind or intellect. This could include creations such as a song, lyric, computer program, a new type of toaster, or even a sculpture. Congress shall have the power to promote the progress of science and useful arts by securing for limited times to authors and inventors the exclusive right to their respective writing and discoveries. Trademarks for intellectual property protects a word, phrase, logo, shape, or sound that identifies a source of goods or services to protect the consumer. Example would be the Nike swoosh, Facebook, F, or the Apple's Apple. 2 types of trademark exist, a common law trademark and a registered trademark. A common law trademark is designed by placing a TM next to the trademark. A registered trademark is one that has been examined, approved, and registered within the trademark office, such as a patent and trademark office in the U.S. has a circle R placed next to the trademark. Copyright protections given to songs, computer programs, books, and other creative works. Any work that has an author can be copyrighted. Under the terms of copyright, the author of a work controls what can be done within the work, including who can make the copies of the work, who can make derivative works from the original work, who can perform the work publicly, who can display the work publicly, and who can distribute the work. Protection lasts for the life of the original author plus 70 years. If a copyrighted work is owned by a publisher or another third party, the protection lasts for 95 years from the original creation date. Patent protections. Protection for someone who invests in a new product or process and protects others from infringing on their patent. Examples of receiving is circuit designs in semiconductors, prescription drug formulas, firearm locks, plumbing, engines, coding processes, and business processes. A patent holder has the right to exclude the others from making, using, offering for sale, or selling the invention throughout the United States or importing the invention into the United States for a limited time in exchange for public disclosure of the invention when the patent is granted. In the U.S., a patent lasts 20 years. And these are my references. Thank you for listening.